How to add the admin on Facebook page. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add the admin on Facebook page. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. Make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of Facebook. If you have already done so, then you can simply open your Facebook. On the top right side you will see three vertical lines right there. Just tap on the three vertical lines. Now you need to tap on your professional dashboard option. After tapping on the professional dashboard option, scroll down and then you will see the very option of page access. Tap on the page access option and now tap on the add new option, tap on the next option, and now you can simply search the person by name or username and tap on the add option after searching the name. So after tapping that, you need to tap on allow this person also to have full control and tap on give access, and just like that the access is given and now this person will be the admin of your Facebook page. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.